His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama, as I've explained to all of you many times. If it wasn't for His Holiness, none of us would be here. None of us would have a place to stand. Tibetan Buddhism has a cloak of validity, cleanliness, and clarity, and it's a world-respected faith religion because of His Holiness. If His Holiness was a freak, dressed funny, acted funny, looked funny like me, I don't think Tibetan Buddhism would have gone this far. So it's due to His Holiness's untiring efforts and his outlook and his views and his 24/7 devotion to others that the rest of us, silly people like me, can run around and proclaim ourselves to be something and teach the Dharma. So I think that itself, not mentioning other qualities already, quite incredible. I'm not loyal to him because I'm Tibetan. I'm loyal to him because he's a real Buddhist spreading Buddhism. People say he's Chinese. I believe it. Some of you may not. It doesn't really matter. But we can definitely believe that he's a genuine person, a spiritual person. And those are very rare these days. So may his works grow and his activities grow. And may we have an opportunity in the future to serve His Holiness directly. At this moment, indirectly. And may this place in general grow and prosper spiritually, materially, and may many people come here and learn the Dharma, and maybe gain great attainments here. Things like that. All right? Today we did wonderful work. The way we did it today, bringing Lama Tsongkhapa is how we do it in Ganden. Of course, on a much grander scale. I've done this a few times, and some of you have joined me. But it's something like that. When we walk in, we happily recite Lama Tsongkhapa's mantra. And when we leave puja, we actually recite Lama Tsongkhapa's mantra going out. But we won't do that because we already made enough noise coming in. So we'll sneak out quietly to the home restaurant to meditate on momos. We can wait momos and shapale, but no meat, of course. And don't forget, our favorite meditation is banana fritters. We already received the initiation of banana fritters yesterday, so we're going to do a banana fritter supper. And I'll meet you guys at the home restaurant, and just wait here, walk around, take a look. But don't go too far, because this place is vast, and I really want some of you to be left behind. Right? And you see Robert over there? Robert stayed here, circumambulating around Maitreya, and then he kind of gets lost, goes into Samadhi, and that's it, we don't see you anymore. And I forgot to mention, we have all types of international people with us. I forgot the lady from the Philippines. We also have a Filipino lady here joining us to do Dharma, so I don't want anything to left out. Okay? Frank, thank you so much. Really, thank you so much. And you didn't see the last of me. I will have someone send the clothes down. And if there's anything necessary that can help, let me know. You have my email. And thank you for the honor of being here and doing puja at my Guru's house. It's wonderful, beautiful. And the Sangha members, thank you so much. And wonderful to see you. Thank you so much. And okay, so I'm going to go to, I think I'll do it here with Frank for 2 minutes. The rest of you can just go and wander around, take a look. See you in about 10 minutes.
Big place. We are in the nunnery. Please don't come here.
I thought you guys were doing something naughty.
This is nunnery.
What are you eating? Come, let's go. Okay.
Oh. Yes. Going.
Huh?
It's going. Cả ơi cái
It's your friend.
Father.
Brother. Wow. Smile.